his hair was dry. That's why we're basically giving it a tall glass of water with actual water. Don't sleep on how important water is when it comes to detangling your hair and just really getting it ready for your curls to pop by getting your hair softer and ready to absorb the conditioner. Water is gonna hydrate, condition is going to do its job and moisturize your hair. This conditioner from As I Am has rosemary and peppermint in it. So when we're using the whole collection, we're literally working on making sure that his hair is easier to comb through, strengthening his hair and thickening the hair. Bruh, finger detangle first, then go in with your wide tooth comb. I know it looks like it's mad easy right now, like my hand is just passing through his hair, no problem. And that's why so many of you guys are gonna say, my hair could have never. Yo, listen, I actually had to run my hands through his hair about 1,500 times. I'm not even joking, to the point where you see it's at right now. But that was water, conditioner, and allowing the water to spread out the conditioner through his hair so that my hands could pass through his hair a lot easier. And that's when I reach for the wide tooth comb. But you think the wide tooth comb is just gonna pass through the thick of his hair? Nah, we gotta start at the ends. My guy, it makes everything 10 times easier. Make sure to hit the follow button for part 3, where we're gonna go over using the styling products.